Alright, Jordan, this has to do with the first two problems. We're actually going to discuss this example 9.1 in class again on Wednesday. It just has to do, the key is just that we want to make sure that we are viewing it from the perspective that they ask us. That's the key. What is happening based on the perspective they want us to take. So we'll go over that in class a little bit. I already started example 9.2 with speed, but that's what we're going to go over right now. The first thing is, let's see, I'm going to try not to stumble on my words, but just bear with me. Alright, 9.2 has to do with speed. What is the speed of a train that travels 90 miles in 30 minutes? And I want it actually in miles per hour, so we're going to have to do one conversion real quick. So bear with me, I'm trying to hold this and do this all at the same time. So I already started, we need to make the correct units. We already have miles, but we want it in miles per hour, so we can't use minutes. So 1 hour is, we did our, I already wrote down our conversion ratio. So now we have what we had, or we start with what we have, so we got 30 minutes. This is difficult. Trying to look at a video and do this at the same time. We set up our ratio. And we've got minutes that we want to cancel out. We're going to hours. Like I said, our minutes cancel out. We made that happen. 30 times 1 is 30. Or 1 times 60 is 60. 30 over 60 is 1/2. So I'm going to shorthand that to 0.5. And then we have our minutes and hours, so now we have to do our speed. Speed equals distance over time. We can continue on with our equals and substitute the distance and the time in. The distance was 90 miles. Time is 0.5 hours. This is really difficult to just do this with looking at a screen and doing it. Alright, and when we, here's a good question. When we divide by something less than 1, what actually happens? Well, when we divide by 0.5, it's actually like multiplying by 2. And I can show you that in class if you have a question about that. But if you just do it on your calculator, 90 divided by 0.5, it's just the same thing as 90 multiplied by 2. So we actually have 180. We don't have a fraction anymore, so we'll just put that right here in the space. 180. And then it's miles per hour. A couple different ways you can write that. MPH. Or you could do M-H. Or you could write it out miles per hour. So this is going to be our answer for 9.2. Yeah, I just crossed that out. Alright, we'll come back and do 9.3 in just a few minutes.